In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Einstein in Salesforce 5 minutes. Before we start, a quick note on prerequisites. You'll need admin access in your Salesforce org, and you should be using Lightning Experience. Feature availability can vary by edition and contract, so if you don't see the options I mentioned, check with your Salesforce admin team or verify your licenses. It's also a good idea to try this in a sandbox first if you're evaluating changes. Let's begin by logging into your Salesforce org. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner and click the gear icon. This opens your admin controls. From there, choose the option to open the full setup area. In many orgs, you'll see a link labeled Open Advanced Setup. Click that to land on the main setup home where you can access all configuration options. On the setup homepage, focus on the quick find box at the top left. This search filters the entire setup menu. Type Einstein Setup in that field. As you type, you'll see matching sections appear underneath. From the results, select Einstein Generative AI. This is the central place where you manage the org-wide Einstein features powered by generative AI. On the Einstein Generative AI page, locate the master toggle that controls whether Einstein features are turned on for your org. Click the toggle to enable Einstein. If Salesforce prompts you to confirm the change or review settings, go ahead and proceed. In some orgs, you may also see a save or apply button. If you do, make sure to confirm so the change takes effect. That's the core enablement done. Turning on this toggle activates Einstein capabilities at the org level, but it doesn't automatically grant access to every user or turn on every feature within each cloud. After enabling, plan time to review permissions, data access, and feature level settings so the right teams can use tools like Copilot, generative email, or conversation summaries. If you don't see an option you expect, it may be part of a specific product or require additional setup downstream. A couple of best practices as you wrap up. Give the system a few minutes to propagate changes, especially in larger orgs. Validate in a test record or a dedicated app to confirm Einstein options appear where you expect. If you need to pause adoption or troubleshoot, you can return to the same page and toggle Einstein off again. And as with any AI features, align your rollout with your company's data policies and governance standards. That's it. Einstein is now enabled in your Salesforce org.